Now let's upload your business or asset data on the map. For this, you need to use template maps when working with Excel or CSV data. When a layer is created using a template map, it appears as a story, with each location showing a detailed pop-up. This can include text, images, videos, documents, and more. To control this, you first need to create a custom location template. Click on Add Location, then go to Add Manually. Now click on the Settings icon to create a new location type. Click on Create New Type. Add a name, choose a color for identification, and select the geometry type, point, line, or polygon. Now add custom attributes like location name. Choose type like text, number, image, address, etc. You can also mark fields as visible on mobile and required. Add more fields like contact number, address, and others as needed. Review everything and save the type. In the next video, we'll use this template to upload your Excel or CSV data.